So I wasn't very happy about how I ended things with the Moonvember video. So here's a little more detail about this token, some of the tokenomics, some of the supply levels, and other key facts that I may have missed in our first video. So our current supply is around 39,524,113. Our token symbol is money sign MVB. Taxes, the project operates with zero tax on transactions. The LP tokens are burned, and most importantly, the contract ownership is renounced, indicating no control from the developers over the contract. Now, one thing about this setup is it promotes decentralization and scarcity, which could potentially impact price positively if demand grows due to the limited supply that exists within MVB right now. Now, talking about the tokenomics of it, is Moonvember again has that limited supply of tokens with clear indication for staking, rewards, liquidity, and project development. The deflationary nature of the token, combined with mechanisms like burns and staking incentives, aims to drive scarcity, potentially increasing the value over time as demand grows. This setup attracts both short-term traders and long-term holders, given the benefits of holding the token participating in the Moonvember ecosystem. Now let's dive into the technical analysis of MVB, and SOL on the 15-minute chart specifically. Looking at the current levels, we have key resistance. Again, we still have our resistance levels drawn out here at 0.01188. If the price manages to break above this with strong volume, it could trigger another leg up. And remember, on the downside, we're going to be down here at our 0.90 level as well. And as you can see, we've already broken that resistance level and we're already trending upwards again. So we could probably draw some new lines here showing, there we go. So these would be our new support and resistance lines. So if we're looking for either a breakdown to this 130.80 level, and again, we have our OS zones of previous demand and supply of around 0.90, and we have previous resistance of about 0.1195, which could act as a new zone in between these two levels here as well. Social sentiment around MVB on Twitter, if we go and look at that, is going to be fairly positive with tweets, more and more tweets coming up about this on a consistent basis. We can see with MVB, we're seeing a spike in the social sentiment. However, this mixed sentiment is going to reflect the consolidation phase that we're currently seeing on the token. If bullish sentiment continues to grow, it could create the buying pressure needed to break above that resistance level. Conversely, if interest wanes, we might see the price retrace further. However, this has a very strong community behind it, and that's one thing we want to keep in mind when trading this. So what's the future potential for Moonvember? With the deflationary model and incentive for holding, MVP could be the MVP of November, and it could benefit as the crypto market continues to look for tokens with strong fundamentals and a community support behind it, because that's what a lot of these meme coins are missing at the end of the day, right? So if Moonvember's roadmap delivers on its promises, there's potential for long-term appreciation, especially if social engagement with the token stays high like it has. So overall, the combination of Moonvember's deflationary, tokenomics, strong community interest, and current technical setup suggests there are opportunities for both traders looking for short-term moves and holders looking for long-term growth in those 10,000x plays. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto insights. Again, we're new to this, so be kind, and we're going to learn as we go along, but they're going to get better just like the rest of our content has. And I will see you guys in the next video.